Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good evening everyone. My name is Muhammad Izzuddin bin Muhammad Izzuddin from ITW 3rd semester. And this is my friend.
My name is Muhammad Sabila bin Abdul Rahman and I'm from ITW 3rd semester. Okay. After that, second step is we need to grind this group that we do just now for make it clean and flat. But don't forget our PPE. And after we done grinding, and then I grinding to the flat. After that, we are going to do the rope face for make the easy penetration. That measurement for the rope face is 1.5 until 2 mm.
This is our last preparation, is taking our plate together. Come here. Open the switch. First, open the switch. Salah. Okay, salah. And then setting the current. The last one. And then you take one electrode 2.6 and make a gap. Let's go. After we done our do the preparation, and now I will start to the penetration. So after we done our penetration by mat, this is penetration. We're gonna run a hot bus.
tanta e difícil. Mi camino, mi camino, mi camino, mi camino.
Gosh, you ain't never gonna see. I got packs that are never on me. I got caps and they tellers on B. Ain't Tottenham, but I got gunners on me. And it's got 100 on me. Spend more than 100 on me. And I spend more than 100 on me. But it's calm cause I ain't on 100 on me. Way too complacent. Where's my time? Got put it in Jason. Roll like 50 and Jason. Stuff for long.
So we done our hot pass. We're gonna do field pass. Field pass gonna make it more full, more going up. Yes. Then our field pass. This is our field pass. So we're gonna run for first capping with electrode 3.2, which is I use 3.2 because the gap is so big. Let's go. Okay, now I start to the second capping. Capping last 2 layer done.
So that's all from us. 3G project from by Muhammad Izzuddin and
My name is my name
tak apa.
my name is Muhammad Hasabila.
Yes. Thank you, and we are sorry if our welding is not good as everyone else. So thank you for watching our video. Bye bye.